Welcome back. In this video, we're making holiday Spritz cookies. For the dry ingredients, 3½ cups of flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Into a stand mixer, 1½ cups of unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar, cream together on medium-high speed for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon almond extract, 2 big drops of green food coloring. Mix on low speed until just combined. Dump in the flour mixture a little bit at a time. Place your mixture into a cookie press. Press the cookie dough out onto a baking sheet. Brush with egg whites. Top them off with some sprinkles. Bake at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove immediately from the baking sheet. Place on a wire rack to finish cooling. And there we have it, holiday Spritz cookies. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.